friends, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a fabulous day and a fabulous summer. It took a while for summer to reach us, but it finally has. But summer is not over yet. And for today's video, I have partnered with Sephora. It's a no-brainer for me to partner with Sephora because I have shopped with Sephora for as long as I can remember. And I remember the day that I found out they were going to open up in our mall. I was so excited. So today I wanted to share that they are having their summer bonus event for Sephora's summer bonus event. This is for Rouge and VIB. It runs from August 20th until August 27th. And for Rouge members, we will receive 20% off. And for VIB members, you will receive 15% off. Good in-store and online, and you can use it as many times as you want during those days. The code for both, if you're shopping online, just in case you didn't get your mailer, because sometimes those things can happen, but the code for both is Summer Save. So if you are a Rouge or you are a VIB member, Rouge gets 20% off, VIB gets 15% off, and the code is Summer Save, but all of the information will be below for you. For today's video, I thought I would share with you some of the things that I automatically will put in my cart during the summer bonus event because I love to buy a lot of these products when I am offered my 20%. If you are VIB, again, yours is 15%. And if you are not yet a member of Sephora's reward program, I will go ahead and link that below for you so you can go over, read about it. It's free, it's easy. There are some perks to it, this bonus day being one of the perks. Free makeups in store. So I will link the Sephora Beauty Insider program below. All right? So let's get started. I wanted to first suggest some of the products that I use all the time have gone through bottles and bottles, and then some things I myself am putting in my cart this time. So I'm going to start out with two foundations. One I have been using for years and years, and I will continue to use it, and that is Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation. This is a fabulous foundation for the mature skin, especially if you have dry skin. You can layer this on thinly. I have it on today on my face, or you can build this foundation up. It does not get cakey on me. It does not sweat off easily. It is a beautiful, beautiful foundation with such a gorgeous, gorgeous glow. And I wear the color 6. I will list and link everything below for you for easy shopping, my friends. And the next is the Nars Sheer Glow. You have heard me talk about this lately. I love this foundation. It is, again, fabulous for the aging skin. So consider this, and I wear the Patagonia in this. Another item that I had used all the time and then most recently started to use again is the Nars Radiant Concealer. I also have this on today. I like this concealer because it can be put on thinly and it still covers any discoloration that I have. And you all know that I have a lot of bluing and blue-green veins around my eyes. So I really need a concealer that does work without being cakey. So I've recently been reaching for this again. So consider the Nars Radiant Concealer. And I wear it in custard, I believe. All right, so let's move on to some of the things that I talk about all the time, and I even add to my cart this time of year. When they give me a 20% off, I take full advantage. So I am going to talk about some hair care products that I think many of you should be adding to your cart. And the first combination is going to be by Kerastase. Now, Kerastase is a pricier line, so that's why I like to get a 20% discount. I can't even get a discount on this being a professional hairstylist because it's not sold in my area other than Sephora. So for today, I'm going to talk about the Kerastase Elixir Ultime Mask. And I did a pre-treatment mask. Now I'm getting my hair colored tomorrow. So before I get my hair color, I make sure to give it a full day of treatment so that I usually do this on the weekend. So it was a weekend. So on the weekend day, I took some of the Kerastase, I washed my hair, and then I take the Kerastase mask and I mix it in with about 3 pumps of the Kerastase Elixir Ultime, and you get Beautiful, beautiful shine to your hair. Absolutely. It is manageable. It is soft. It is incredible. This is a fabulous, fabulous mask or combination. Both good on their own. You all know that this is my most favorite oil to add to my wet hair before blow drying. It gives you incredible, incredible shine. I also wanted to mention, I don't have it here because I threw it in the wash machine already. The Turbital by Acqui, these are probably the best you can get, and during the 20% off summer bonus event, or 15%, it makes it worth it, okay? So I always have those on hand because I love the way they really absorb most of the moisture before I go and put a lot of my treatments on. So speaking of another treatment, this is also by Kerastase, and you know that I have naturally frizzy hair. So I like to use this, and this is the Kerastase Discipline, and it is the complete anti-frizz care for unruly hair. You'll see that you can spray this, but I prefer to just spray it in my hands, massage it, and run it through the strands, focusing on the areas that are really frizzy for me. My roots aren't necessarily frizzy, but I do have pieces around my face, and the top layer of the hair is a little frizzier because I'm dry. I have dry hair by nature, and I also have frizzy hair by nature. And then when you put a couple of highlights here and there, you might get a little extra fizz, but you can see that my hair is not frizzy at this point. And this is very, very easy to use. I like that it does not weigh the hair down. So now I'm moving on to a mousse, and this one is new for me. And I've used it a couple of times now, and I really like it. I like it when I'm going to use hot rollers. Today I used my Velcro rollers, and you can see it gives a really nice amount of volume without changing the feel of my hair. It doesn't get crispy, and it's not dull. And this is by Kerastase, and this is the Luxurious Volumizing Mousse. Strong hold. Really, really nice, easy to use, and like I said, works with both hot rollers, simply blow drying, or Velcro rollers. I do have another Kerastase mask that is in the rotation right now. I like this one equally. I love all of the Kerastase masks, all of them. And this one here is the Resistance. So you may want to take a look at that if you're somebody who is really into masking your hair. You know that I am a firm believer of masking the hair. So now this is a product that I bought, and I don't normally like texturizing products, but I do like this one. Now this one I did not use in my hair yet today, so I am going to go ahead and just show you how I would use this. But what I really like about this is, for me, it doesn't leave it does change the feel of the hair just slightly, but not so much that I can't stand it. You know I don't like a dirty feel to my hair. So this here I just take, and I'm just going to spray the root, and then I'm going to lift it down, and now I'm just going to lift at the root and just work that through, and you'll see it just gives more volume. But it does change the texture of the hair slightly, so keep that in mind. But for those of you who don't have a lot of hair or you struggle to get volume, this texturizing spray is actually very, very nice. And I have used it. I'm sweating bullets here. And I have used it with hot rollers, and of course, I didn't use it with the Velcro this morning, but you easily could. Okay, so this is another product worth looking into. And then, of course, we have all of our Moroccan oil products that I use on a regular basis. I'm just going to briefly mention them because I have talked about these so much in the past. There's the Moroccan Oil Treatment. I love this as a pre-treatment. I use it on dry hair. And this here, the Mending Infusion, is fabulous. All you need is a small amount, and you just run it through your ends, and it's like you don't have split ends anymore. I also do like the Moroccan Oil Mask, and I use the hydration system. That's my most favorite of all of them, but they have several. They have the smoothing, they have the moisture. You can look through the Moroccan products and find the ones that suit your hair best. 3 other products that I really like that I've used in videos in the past. Moroccan Oil Root Boost. This is great. You spray this just on your roots before you blow dry, and it really does give a nice lift. I also like the volumizing mousse a lot. It does not change my hair, and it does give nice hold if I want lots of volume and curls. Love it. And then I haven't sprayed any hairspray on, so I'm going to go ahead and try the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray. Now this does smell just like the oil, so you don't even need to wear perfume when you're wearing this because it smells so fabulous. And the last product is by Living Proof. I have talked about this for years. Perfect Hair Day Nightcap Overnight Protector. I put this on my dry hair when I go to bed at night. I alternate it with my pre-treatments, and this stuff is phenomenal. So there you have a couple of suggestions for the Sephora Summer Bonus event. Remember, it runs from 8/20 until 8/27. It is unlimited in-store and online, with the code being SUMMERSAVE. All right, my friends, so that's it for my suggestions for the Sephora Summer Bonus event. If you are not a member of the Sephora Beauty Insider program, I will link that below for you to go and take a look. It really is worth it. Promotions like this, you can go in and get free makeovers, there's a sampling program, and you also get these incredible discounts a couple times a year. So worth looking into. All right, my friends, so what will you be adding to your Sephora Summer Bonus event cart? I want to know. Is there something that I should add to mine? All right, my ageless beauties, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all of the videos I'm putting up. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.